is the life I lead in this city. Hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need.
This is Rosa Kelly. Welcome to a new Friday night crafting. So I just wanted to kind of turn on the camera and do vlog style video so I can share with you what I am working on. It is right now Friday 10 p.m. It's quite late. Of course, I had work today. Then we had a really fun award ceremony for my girls of volleyball, which was really fun to see. And they got some awards. And of course, I'm always proud. But right now, it's time for me to relax and craft. It is currently, I don't know what the temperature is, but it has been on the high 80s all day, and right now being 10 o'clock, it feels like we're still on the high 70s. So there's no way I'm getting ready for bed. I'm just gonna do a little crafting. I have the fan next to me. I just turn it off for a second so I can talk, but I'm gonna put it right back on. But I just wanted to share with you what I am working on, and yeah, hopefully you guys are having a really fun evening of crafting and relaxing. So excuse the look, like I said, very casual video. So I wanted to right now work on a more of my 8x10 mini albums because I got a couple more orders, and also I want to make one for myself so I can have a blank book to decorate. And so yeah, you guys really seem to be loving those larger 8x10 books. So I am gonna be making a couple on the pink blush color. But also I think I'm gonna be making some on white or maybe black. I think black would be a really good color, especially with graduation coming up. My daughter's graduating high school, and so I definitely want to put a book together with all of her high school memories that I still haven't done. So I have a lot of homework to do in terms of like my actual scrapbooking memories, but it's always fun. So I just wanted to show you also how I kind of organize my tasks to do for crafting. I kind of switch from the beautiful decorated planning pages to the simple pen and paper to-do list. I am moving on to practical planning, which I don't know, I mean, again, it's practical. I'm just putting a list of the things I want to accomplish the day, on the week, and not really spending the time to beautifully decorate the pages. But yeah, so some things have to give because yeah, I only have very little time to craft lately. The girls are always busy. I'm always busy with work, or if not, I'm super tired. So I really want to dedicate my energy to actually work on projects and not so much decorating my planner. But it is a beautiful planner regardless. Right now it's just more functional. But yeah, so on the list for today, I have to post the video, which I did. You guys saw a new video today. I had it scheduled for 5 p.m. and so that one's already out, so check on that. And also this morning I shipped a lot of the books that I had a blank mini album sale, so I was able to pack and get those picked up. And now the next item on my list is to make more, I don't know if you guys can read that, but more of the pink 8x10 books. I need to make 3 because I have 2 more that I need to ship, and then 1 that I am gonna keep for myself. And then I also want to work on my project for a Patreon later. I don't know if today, because it is getting quite late, but you know, it's Friday, we have nowhere to be in the morning, so I really plan on having a really long crafty night because I need it. I had a long day and I just really want to craft and relax. So this is the Patreon collection for May, and I do already have the sketch of what I want to make, so we'll see if I get to work on these. Maybe I'll probably just work on the base elements for this project. and then do the cutting and decorating tomorrow, because that's what takes me the longest. So yeah, so I'm just gonna flip the camera or switch the camera and put you on like a top view so you can kind of see my crafting process. But honestly, I have I'm gonna start a documentary right now. I just finished an audiobook, so I don't think I wanna start a new audiobook just yet, but I do wanna just put a documentary on and have that going as I work on this blank book. Now, if you want to create this 8x10 book, I do have a full free tutorial, so I'll link it below. I also have a cutting guide, so again, I'll link it below. And on this video, we're just gonna do a little bit of real life Friday night crafting. So hopefully you guys are having a really fun crafty day as well. I hope that you enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll be checking on my progress. Okay, so the documentary I'm going to be watching is called Implosion. It's from the Discovery Channel, but I'm actually watching this on Max or HBO Max, in case you're interested. So it is a new one. I have, I'm always obsessed with documentaries, especially with things like that. But anyway, so here I have some more blank books that I need to pack those. And so yeah.
Tears misting in her emerald eyes, as everyone was standing idly by, trying not to watch or intervene, as tears were streaming down her face, down her face. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go. She held in her hand a ribbon of silk, so lightly that it would be caught in a breeze. She whispered words not meant to be heard. She started to shiver, though she didn't freeze. Try to let it go. Try to let it
so I finished the covers for the books so far, and I am gonna do a little ice cream break. So I'm having these Hazen-Dazs. Can you see that? It is a strawberry. I've never had this before, so I'm excited to try it. Gosh, this just looks delicious. I'm excited for this. I know it's late for ice cream, but hey, you only live once, and I need ice cream right now. So I'm watching this documentary, and it is actually crazy. I knew about the accident. I knew about the implosion of the submarine before. I don't remember if it was from the news or if it was another documentary that I watched. But anyway, I didn't know with the level of detail that they're showing here how many failure on the testing it had before it even went on these expeditions. So yeah, it's incredible, all the different levels of failure. So anyway, if you're into any of that, it's just incredible, all the amount of research and engineering and safety that goes behind it. But at the same time, just a tiny little failure, something that could have been prevented. It's kind of scary. But okay, we are here for crafting. So I'm just excited. I get very invested on my documentaries. Oh, okay. Oh, this looks so good. I think I broke the button, but okay. Oof, I'm excited. And this is supposed to be like a soft cookie. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you the box because this just looks so good. So we're gonna have a little ice cream break, and then we're gonna continue with the book. So I do have the pages pre-cut, so I just have to score, glue, and put together. So I do kind of want to finish that today, so I might just concentrate on that and not do the other project that I wanted to. I mean, it depends. Maybe this ice cream will give me a lot of energy to continue. But oh my god, this is actually so good. So I just finished the 3 blind books, which took me about 3 hours. It is way past midnight, so I think I'm just gonna stop here, and I'm gonna save the Patreon project for tomorrow. And so yeah, so the best thing about making a list is that you get to color the inside of the box once you complete something. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you enjoy kind of spending the Friday evening with me. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.